here.
Okay. Let me just see. Okay.
I was edited too. Wait, show.
Oh. We'll just like put something else over it.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
I really hope I got a Hello Kitty one.
Is that weird? Sorry.
No.
I hope so that you get one too. For your sake.
Or the mini Tamagotchi.
You just think it's gonna stop? I'm gonna piss so many people off. Are you still videoing this? Okay. What the?
Wait. That's not even the.
Okay, hold on. Okay, I got it.
Oh, there we go. Technical difficulties.
Yeah, we'll just cut this part out. We'll like edit it together so that it looks.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Oh my god,
What the fucking shit?
bro.
Yes. Why is it like this? Is it supposed to be for children?
I think we nailed it.
Why is it like that? Oh wait. Is that like a little zipper thing? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what I've been like trying. Let me see if I can. Okay, we got it. Okay, ready? Are you fucking kidding me?
And
okay.
What's the one thing about these is the waste. Like I can't stand it.
Sorry, I didn't mean to just.
No, you're good. I actually have a garbage bag right there. I'll put it.
Me in China. Okay, so I think we open it this way. All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh fuck. More garbage.
Does this all come out? Okay.
Shut the fuck up.
That's
Yo.
so cool.
Oh my goodness. That's awesome.
Okay.
It would be cool if it was like the box, but you know, I mean the actual library. Okay, yeah. So where do I put this one? What is it?
Here.
I have so much shit in my car. Okay. Are you impressed with my strength?
I am.
Oh, okay. I don't play
That.
It's from the game you're talking about.
That's cool.
Give it to your brother.
Really cool. He'd love it actually.
Does he like mini things?
He loves many things.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just show this one more time. He's like a collectible.
Oh my god, you should totally give it to me. Because I mean, I love these things, don't get me wrong, but I don't even know the game. Oh my gosh.
What?
It even has like, it's just so detailed.
So cute.
I'll just put them in there.
What
for
the
now.
hell?
Oh, it's got the Transformers.
What is this?
Yo! We're rich. What the fuck?
What does that mean? Hold on.
Yo.
This came with this.
Oh, I dropped
this
it.
is
What
it.
if I dropped into my soda?
These are so cute.
That is very cute. Focus.
That's so cute.
Can we see the back? So cool. Awesome. And what the fuck is this?
Money.
It says surprise on it.
Surprise. Maybe it's because it's collector's guide.
Fucking hype.
Maybe if we win money, we win like $1 million. Probably not though. Oh wait, yeah, look at that.
Oh, we got
These
the
are
$1
super
bills.
rare.
Oh, sick. I'll take it.
Oh wait, are they super rare or are these just maybe not? It says they're
so.
purple. Wait, no, hold on, maybe? I don't know. Oh yeah, whatever.
It's hard to tell.
Yeah, okay.
I did get a guacamole though. Just saying.
Oh, did you?
That was. I put them in here.
Oh, you didn't.
Oh my god, they go.
You got a guacamole? I got a little thing of cheddar craft cheese. And it's like my favorite thing.
Wait, I got the Velveeta.
Oh, nice. I have a little pack of hot dogs that I have in my jacket pocket.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Not in this one, but another one.
I also I got Orajel. Isn't that
Weird.
funny? Isn't that fucking funny? Oh my god. Oh wait, it's metallic. Or
Oh,
whatever.
shit.
First, it's rare, and it's really cool. Did you ever use those things?
What? No, what is it?
You
Oh, that's the spinny
this-
thing?
mhm.
Oh yeah, those things are awesome.
Look at this box.
Do the
It
other
matches
side.
your nails. Like a little bit. You know what I mean? Like the holographic.
That's cool. Here.
Fucking nice.
That's cool as hell.
I think that's a rare one.
Fuck yeah, we're gonna check it out. Is that the last
Oh
one?
yeah, and that's a big one.
Ooh.
I hope it's like a storage thing. Sometimes they have like shelves, you know? Yeah. I have a shopping cart.
Release the beast.
What? That's so cool.
It's a truck. Cool.
I don't know, but I like it.
It's very cute.
Oh, it's like a monster truck.
Cool. All right.
Whatever.
All right. Let me see this.
Yeah.
Grab your trash bag so that I can throw shit out. So
Okay,
that
yeah,
these
I'll
are
take care of
fucking
it.
cute.
No
I wish we
worries.
got one of these. Are you kidding me?
Oh, those are. Oh
That's
my god,
funny.
dude. Oh, yeah, I wanted that one.
Wait, hold on.
I wanted that one.
Hold on. It opens.
Bro.
Maybe
Wait.
not.
Wait, before it. Wait.
It doesn't sound like there's anything in it.
Wait, before you open it, let me just take a look at the. See if it's. Because sometimes it's on both of them. I got that one.
Fuck yeah, dude.
I don't know why I'm still videoing this. Okay, yeah, you can open it.
Yeah. I don't think there's anything in
Oh,
it.
wait, let me see. Okay, maybe not then. Let me look on the side. Because sometimes they have it in 2 sections, you know what I mean? And like one's rare and the other one's not. I do not see it.
No, it's empty. I'll just close it back up.
Okay.
There. Still looks good. Imagine we got a tiny Tamagotchi. I think I would scream.
Yeah.
Start screaming.
Yeah. And the glow in the dark ones are really cool too.